Hi everybody, again. But I wanted to, I hope everybody is having a really nice day. Today has been a great day. So far, 5 o'clock, so it's pretty much over, so it's probably going to stay great. I wanted to show my pages that I got from a swap that was not a swap. I don't know if you really call it a swap. Yeah, I guess it's a swap. I think so. We all made pages, and I think I showed you my pages that I made for it. It was in Kathy Orta's group, and Kim head up this swap where we made these hidden Hinge pages, and then we made 6. We sent her 6, and we got 6 back. I really thought I was going to get one of mine back, but I didn't. This was like loose, and I'm going to find out where it goes. So I'm going to show them, and I peeked, but I haven't looked. So you'll get to see them with me. They all look so pretty. Someone told me they never do these because they think they're going to get crap back. I surely did not get crap back. This is pretty stuff. So, okay. Here is the first one. Oh, I see. It's just 2 little envelope things you're going to tuck in. Cool. I like that. So there's a mat and a tag. And open it. No, it did not open. But we can pull this out. Nice. Nice. And she stapled the ribbon. I really like that. I like that little flower. And this side too doesn't open. And this one is pretty much the same. And I have no idea who sent this because there's nothing identifying on it. So, whoever this one is, very, very pretty, and I like it. Thank you. Was there anything identifying on those? Nope, nothing. I don't know who sent that one. Wow, this is a good heavy one. Let me see. I don't see the hidden. Okay. I'm thinking, okay, so if it goes in the mini, it's going to go this way. So this is the front. And it has this beautiful tag. Isn't that pretty? And this was made by Happy Scrapping Christy Lenigan. Very pretty. And I'm so happy she put her name in it so I could identify where it came from. And this paper is so beautiful. So then it would open. Let me tuck that back in. So it would go this way. And it's got to open because it's really heavy. Maybe not. It does. It does. It does. There's that one. And I think there is a tag right here. Really pretty. I didn't map the back of my tags either. I like to write on the back of the tags. So then it's held down with a magnet. And some more of that beautiful paper. I wonder what paper this is. It's so pretty. And there is a tag right in here. I'm certain there is a tag. Oh, cool. Silverware. And that one is matted. And it says journal. And then it opens up. Ooh, to that paper, which is really pretty also. And then some flips. Cool. There's a lot to show you. I hope I don't knock my camera over. Okay, so we're over here on the flips. And this has a tag in it. Very pretty. More of the silverware. And that flips. And another tag that is very pretty. I love this paper. I want this paper. So pretty. Check out that butterfly. Another flip. Another flip. Another tag. Oh God, it's so beautiful. This one is so intense. This has stuff going on. I love that plaid. And I love that writing. Ooh, look at the flowers. Oh, I love this paper. Oh, so pretty. And this like reminds me of Tim Holtz paper. So pretty. And he does have some new ones I've never seen before. One is called Wildflowers. I wonder if this is it. Okay, let me see. These ones go this way. That goes that way. And that goes that way. Ooh, I love this. Oh, I love this so much. Thank you, Christy. This one is beautiful. So 2 beautiful pages. And look, we get to see Sabrina's face. That is so cool. I don't brush my hair most days. I'm not showing you my face. I'll show you my face. This is not my hair. That's Sabrina, and she made this one. Her name is Sabrina Rochelle, I think so. Hello, I have really enjoyed making this page for you. It has been challenging, but extremely fun at the same time. I first started scrapbooking as creative memories consultant for 14 years until the company dissolved last year. Since then, I have been trying different things, and this has been one of them. This only is the 3rd set of mini album pages I have created, but seem to always continue to tweak them and add more stuff. I work full-time as an office manager at the Napa Auto Parts store. See, she has to brush her hair every day. I am not married and have no children, but seem to keep very busy. I love doing all outdoor activities, especially horseback riding, but enjoying camping, fishing, and gardening as well. Thank you for including me in your mini page album swap. Cool, I'm so glad she joined. I want to do another one. I hope she joins again, because this one looks very pretty. Thank you, Sabrina. Very pretty. And a big tag. I love that purple paper. Oh, cool, and flowers on the back. I love it. And I love those chevron ribbons. So pretty. I like this flower. So nice. And it has pretty bling in the middle and all blinged out. Lots of rhinestones. Nope, doesn't open that way. Just tags tuck in. I'm really worried I'm going to rip them apart trying to figure out how they open. I'm trying to be gentle. This pretty journaling mat. And another one. And hearts. Oh, and another pretty one. So pretty. And I kind of like that they're all like different themes. Like they're not all going to match. So I kind of like that. And here is this. Ooh, I like that paper. So pretty. This paper would be a really good match to the new Graphic 45 that I just got. That Eerie something, the Halloween one. That'd be a cool match. And here is this one. So pretty. I like plaid. Plaid is one of my favorites. Oh, so pretty. You want to see it? I guess so. I'm showing it. This pulls out, and it's on that cool little paper clip. And does this come out? No, I think you have to take the paper clip off. I see. Ooh, so pretty. More plaid. I love this. So pretty. Sabrina, you did a great job. So pretty. I love it. I like that. And more plaid. Okay, let me make sure I get this right. And then clip that back on. I love that paper clip too. It is so pretty. I like to use paper clips in my projects. Okay, there we go. And then it tucks back in amidst all those gorgeous rhinestones. So pretty. I love it. Now let me tuck her back in. Third page, rocks. And then this one is in a cool Ziploc bag. I don't think I've ever had a Ziploc bag with a pink zipper. That is very pretty. That is really pretty. I love butterflies. That is really beautiful. And it has a butterfly on the back. And I think this comes up. And it has a tag. So cool. Very creative. One cool thing about Kathy Orta's projects is you can like just trick them out and go different on them every single time. If you have her Back to the Basics tutorial, basically it is just do your own thing with it. So pretty. How about that? You never can go wrong, and you'll never make an ugly Kathy Orta album if you follow the instructions. So this goes this way, and it says, made specially for you by Lynn Simmons from California. Happy scrapping. So cool. I like that. Okay, that tucked in. Tag number 1. Ooh, we got a lot of tags in this. 2, 3, and 4. Cool. I love that paper, and I love the paper these tags are made from. I like this punch. So pretty. Ooh, this is beautiful. Okay, where do I start? Where do I start? Does this flip open? No, I think that's glued shut. I think I'm glued shut. So this flips up though, right? Got that little paper clip right here so we don't lose it. Ooh, something just fell outside. I don't know what it was. Have to go look in a minute. Oh, such pretty butterflies. That says butterflies and moths. Nice. Pretty paper. Really pretty paper. I love it. Yep, it's all glued. So pretty. You know, I'm not a big fan of adding the waterfall, probably because I don't want to do the waterfall work, but I like to see them in minis, and I mean, I don't have them in a lot of my minis that I keep for myself, so very cool that it's there. And this page is absolutely gorgeous. And a tag. And another tag. And I'm going to focus in on this flower. Stick it way up there. Is that flower not so pretty? It is like a cork and then really pretty teal petals. Oh, so pretty, with a burlap string ribbon. So pretty. Bow. Gosh, I love this one. I really love this page. Thank you, Lynn. Beautiful. Whew, this one's glittery and gold. I'm popping the stuff. Isn't that pretty? Ooh, smile. Oh good, an identifying thing here. Says Crafty Candy. Katie Hand, designer paper crafter at www.craftycandy.blogspot.com, and her YouTube is Crafty Candy, spelled CraftyKandy. Put that up there. Maybe it'll focus. My hands shake. Things don't focus so well. Very nice. Let's tuck that right down in there. And here is, God, I'm like a baby elephant. Not so beautiful. And there is this one that I probably should have pulled out first. So pretty. Oh, cool. Layered. So pretty. That is gorgeous. You know, it doesn't give you all those colors reflecting on the actual thing, only on the camera. Odd. Some pretty bling. Oh, cool, that tucks in there. Oh, well, I don't really know where that tucks. It was just, oh God, I think I ripped it off. I'm telling you, this is horrible. I think I ripped it off. Still pretty, though. I'll try to glue it back. It goes this way. So cool, and another big tag. I like the big tags, and I love that paper, that brown paper. So pretty. And it got a cool doily and a little charm. Very, very, very beautiful. Thank you so much, Katie. That is gorgeous. Oh God, there's only one more. Isn't that so pretty? Okay, that doesn't come up. Oh, but that is a pocket right there to tuck something in. But I don't think this comes, no, it doesn't. I won't rip it apart. Oh God, I hope I don't rip any more of them apart. Okay, such pretty tags. Oh, look at that one. It's like embossed. It's got gold embossed on there. So pretty. Oh, cool. And this is her identifying tag. This comes from Laurel Pierce, Costa Mesa, California, leptcrafts.blogspot.com. My page is based on Kathy Orta's File Under M for Memory tutorial. I used Basil's Craft cardstock as a base and decorated with graphic 45's botanical tea paper. I also included some hand-printed multimedia tags made with Tim Holtz Distressed Products and Prima Bloom. I hope you like it, Laurel. Well, Laurel, I love it so far, and I haven't even seen the whole thing. So this is her information, because I have such a hard time saying people's names and stuff. But can you see the left lepcrafts.blogspot.com. Lep Crafts, I guess. Neat. So there is that tag, which is just absolutely beautiful. And then this is like a splatter one. So cool. And I love both sides. They're both beautiful. I gotta remember to tuck them all back in because I don't know where they came from. And such a pretty rose. What's her name? Reminds me of a Prima Stack, but I don't know. Okay, I'll shut up because I don't know what I'm saying. Such a cutie. And on the back, it opens up, and flips down. Lots of photo places there. And it just tucks back into this beautiful blue paper. So pretty. Gorgeous. I love that paper. Ooh, and here's the back. That's my husband. Hold on one second. Don't hang up. So I'll show you the back and then I'll end the video. Isn't that so pretty? I can't get that out. It's stuck. Okay. And another place for photos. So pretty. So those are my pages that I got. They're all so beautiful. Somewhere this fell out. Somewhere this fell out, but I will figure out where they go. And I didn't damage anything beyond use, so I'm really happy. I wanted to show you that you do not get crap in these page swaps. They are all beautiful. Bye, you guys. Thanks for looking and have a great day.